Hi everyone, and welcome back to Black Lion Financial. Today, I'm really excited to show you this because you could be earning more than $200 in just a few clicks. You can do this online with a computer or a phone and an internet connection. You can try this out really fast too. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. And remember to subscribe and leave a like so you can get regular updates on how to make money online. So let's have a look at this method by going to a website called freecash.com. On this website, you have to make a free account. Just enter all your details like your name. Freecash.com is a website where you can earn money by doing tasks and surveys. It's such an easy way to make a little extra money. Freecash is a trusted, legit website that you can be sure offers some fantastic opportunities to earn some more money. Millions of visitors every day and constantly growing, Freecash works on any device. They work with many companies that want to advertise their business. Tasks range from downloading apps and completing offers, testing websites, and much more. You can earn up to $121 per offer on this website. It's so simple. Choose a task, complete a task, and receive coins. They offer 24/7 support and they'll pay via PayPal. They have fantastic reviews, as you can see from their Trustpilot rating. The average time until a user makes their first cash out is less than 18 minutes on this website. The daily average earner on this site makes between $14 and $20 per day. And almost $12 million have been made by users on freecash.com. Here you can spin this to win your first prize. You can win some good money here if you're lucky. After you've done the spin, you click on the tasks. These tasks offer lots of different rewards. To earn points, you want to click the tasks like downloading games and completing surveys, but we don't want to spend any money on some of these because sometimes the tasks will involve paying to use the app or paying to subscribe to a certain website. So let's instead focus on the tasks that won't cost us anything. You can pick from a lot of different offer walls. Each offer wall offers hundreds of tasks for you to do. They also have survey walls. It can pay from a few cents to a few dollars, but they don't take long to complete. Different offers may appear on different platforms, such as PC and mobile, so make sure you check out which platform you're using. You can claim the points you collect from completing these tasks and converting them into PayPal payments. You can also claim the points in the form of gift cards from some major companies like Spotify, Amazon, PlayStation, Apple, Netflix, and many more. You can see live results and live cash outs on the top bar here. And make sure to check out the reviews so you can see just how trustworthy they are. I promise, this site is legit, and these tasks are quick and easy to complete. Making a few $1,000s a month is not impossible for some users on freecash.com. The more you work, the more you earn. It's boring work, yeah, but it's a good way to make money for doing such simple tasks. We are so lucky to have the opportunity to make money online these days. There are so many different ways to do it, and if you want to find out how, remember to check out our other videos and hit that subscribe button for updates on how to make money online and start living your dream life. Until next time, thank you and aim high.